palm trees, light breeze.
Hey guys, it's Dr. Sam, and as you probably already know by now, I like to make videos that give the YouTube community a better sense of what dentists do on a day-by-day basis. And today I want to do something a little bit different. Every week I want to present a case, whether it be an interesting case, a unique case, a challenging case, that we overcame to make someone smile more beautiful. And I believe that these cases will give you guys a better sense of some of the obstacles dentists have to overcome in their practice. So the first case we're going to talk about today involves missing teeth. Now if you look at the dental model, you'll see that this particular patient does not have teeth between the centrals or front two teeth and the canines or eye teeth. And what makes this case so unique is that these teeth were not lost due to infection or a traumatic accident, but rather they were never there throughout his entire life. And we call these cases congenitally missing lateral teeth, meaning that these teeth just never came into existence. And this particular patient was wearing a removable partial denture that kind of looked like a retainer in order to close the space and give him a more natural smile throughout his adolescence. And we were basically waiting until his body matured enough to a point where we could give him a more permanent solution, which would be dental implants. So that's actually what we ended up doing with this patient. He went to the oral surgeon who placed a biocompatible titanium implant into the bone. And as this implant integrated within the body, we came to a point that we were ready to continue to the next phase. Now this case is so challenging because it involves the teeth right in the front of the mouth. So when you smile, you really want to be able to give the illusion that there aren't any missing teeth, that there are no problems with his smile. So what we did is we took an impression of his mouth and we sent it to a dental laboratory, and we told them how we wanted the design and contour of these teeth to make it look as natural as possible. So the next step would be fabricating an implant provisional, which is in essence a temporary implant crown that can be modified in order to give the dentist and the patient full control over the contour and design of the tooth, as well as manage the gums around the tooth. Because some people, when they smile wide and large, you can see the gums as well. And we need to make sure that looks beautiful as well. So yeah, I'm really excited for this case. I think it's going to turn out beautifully. And when the time comes, I'll make another video describing the process where we seat the permanent crowns. And I hope you enjoyed the content today. If you did, please leave a like or subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you next time. This will be something that I do every week from this point forward. Enjoy!